A king was given a wish by the gods. He asked for endless wealth, and in an instant, everything he touched turned to gold. At first, it felt like a blessing, then it became a curse. King Midas ruled a wealthy kingdom, but he always wanted more. When he helped a wandering follower of Dionysus, the god offered him a reward, anything he desired. Without thinking, Midas asked that everything he touches turns into gold. The wish was granted. At first, Midas was amazed. Flowers turned to gold in his hands. Objects shone brighter than anything in his palace. His wealth became limitless. He laughed, convinced he had become the richest man alive, but the gift quickly changed everything. When Midas tried to eat, his food turned into metal. When he touched water, it became solid gold. Even his palace felt cold and lifeless, filled with shining but dead objects. His blessing was becoming unbearable. The greatest tragedy came when Midas touched his daughter. She turned into a golden statue in his arms. The king's joy disappeared instantly. His greed had cost him the one thing he loved most. Broken and desperate, Midas begged Dionysus to take the gift back. The god, seeing his suffering, told him to wash himself in the river Pactolus. Only there could the curse be undone. Midas plunged into the river, and the curse lifted, but legend says the river itself turned rich with gold afterward. Midas learned a painful truth: some gifts are more dangerous than punishment. The story of King Midas is not just about greed, it is about desire without wisdom, and the cost of wanting more than we understand. In the end, even gold cannot replace what truly matters.